Atlanta Hawks center Dwight Howard was ejected from Monday's game at TD Garden to the delight of Celtics fans who booed him all night long. However, the NBA is saying they may have made a mistake. The big man was booted in the third quarter after getting his second technical foul of the game. The league said his second tee for hanging on the rim should have been deemed non-unsportsmanlike and should not have resulted in his ejection. For what it's worth, Howard accepted his role in the process. After the game, he told reporters, "I apologized to the guys and told them I need to do a better job of keeping my composure." At least his team kept their composure just fine, beating the C's 114-98.